see the spangles? He's all spangled up on his chest.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good.
Well, I don't know which one's nicer. This one or the brother? Black stag was, I don't know if you can see the spangles. He's all spangled up on his chest. Got a straight comb one right here. He's kind of spangled up on his chest. You can see that white in his tail. He's pretty wild color. This one's got just a little bit of spangle in his saddle feathers. I don't know if it's showing up on camera or not. There's a couple really nice ones in this row. Okay. I mean, nice one. Really nice one back there too. Super nice. There you go. There's Clover Creek's pick of the day. Lacy roundhead. I mean, a super nice one. Hey, son.